What's up? Today I cut fidgets from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 1 to 6. Okay, first, if you subscribe to 1K, I'll cut these mochis. Like, do it now if you want 1K. Mochis, 1K. 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 This is for 2K, because this is for shaving cream. And I made it. And so, like, I really love it. So if you guys do it to 2K, I'll cut this. But it's more easier if I cut the mochis. 2K, I will be cutting this marble mesh. I really like deciding I don't cut it, but if you go to 3K, I'll cut it. Now, 4K, must be 4K, 4K, or 400. That's okay if you go to 400. Just do it to 4K, please, 4K. I need the 4K. Now my favorite, the OG, my DIY popper. I got this out of squish ball. Must be to 5K. 5K, 5K. Please, 5K. 5K subscribers. And the last one, I'll be cutting the one and only OG Pop It. I'll cut this for 6K. Do it now, 6K. Drop it in the subscription. Subscribe. And then turn on those notification bell to see more out of the box. Out of the fidget lover box. Must be to 6K. And if you go to 6K, I'll cut this to be a mini puppet. And I'll make some for you guys. And I'll buy some and then give some for the giveaway. I'll do a giveaway video next week. Must be to 6K this one. And I'm only gonna do it in the subscription tables. Bye!